foundations in the ocean. Every open door is now closed. Headphones on, no steady beat, feeling like an outcast, so out of place.
Say hi, Kaylee. Yeah. I told Kaylee to say hi. She looked at me like, what's up? There's a guy on a four-wheeler. Haha, there's random people. You're part of Fab 4-1's YouTube channel. How do you feel about that? Say hi, Bryce. Please. What's wrong?
Hi, Bryce.
Say hi, Emily.
I'm Little Nugget.
Yes, she's Little Nugget. And if you can see me, yeah, I'm Taylor. This is our room.
Yeah, it's kind of really sucky.
It's not done yet, and it's really tiny.
Except the beds are really big and made out of jeans.
It's like when you're going on the ski lift and like the goal wants to come in and it won't stop, so you have to quickly jump. Yeah, we buck wild, baby, turn like all the time, buck wild every night, and all these chicks come by line, buck wild every night. I'll put on Hunter, randomly walking. Bye, Hunter.
Can't stop, never let a hater kill your dreams. 19, I got paper, kind of 17, odds always in my favor. I pull up on the scene, black tea in a blazer. Won't chase a woman, I'll replace her, make you have deja vu when I walk by like, hey, it's that guy. Yeah, aren't you from high? I'm not from the best, the facts are lying, but I ain't gonna lie. Jack and Jack did blow up on the app, but we're more than that. The best duo in LA since Kobe Shaq. They need a whole demolitionist to hold us back. Run circles around the competition, called a sack. Legs keep burning, but it's so worth it when you're young and earning money like a surgeon. Yeah, it's cool and all, spread love, my face so don't tell me I can't do anything I put my mind to. Now I ain't tryna hear it, but you get up on my ear. I'm just a Midwest kid in California. One-way ticket 'cause I had to show ya. Flow so sick, make you catch pneumonia. I'm never going home, never going home. No way, no way. Never going home, never going home. No way, no way. Never going home, never going home. No way. I'm fresh up in the game and I'm here to stay. Don't really got my shit together, just appear this way. And I'm like everybody else, I got fears to face. Nowadays, even the real, I just appear this face. And nobody's really what they seem. Learn that the hard way, cuts run deep. And these millions of people put their trust in me. Man, I got a lot of pressure, but I must succeed. So I'ma keep grinding and working. I'm finally certain my life is not meant to be wasted. The line of success, all these people be tracing that shit, it ain't me. I'ma pay my own way, and I'm a little unorthodox. I can't lie, no, I ain't gonna conform. I rock my own style. Shout out to the fans and everybody by side. Yeah, we're headed to the top, and you should keep a close eye. So don't tell me I can't do anything I put my mind to. Now I ain't tryna hear it, but you get up on my ear. I'm just a Midwest kid dreaming California. One-way ticket 'cause I had to show ya. Flow so sick, make you catch pneumonia. I'm never going home, never going home. No way, no way. Never going home, never going home. No way, no way. Never going home, never going home. No way.
Before I touched down, thought I had it all. Now it's midnight sessions playing basketball. My friends and my family, I'ma have to call and tell them I'm never going home.
Yeah, I'm never going home. No way. Midwest kid dreaming California. One-way ticket 'cause I had to show ya. Flow so sick, make you catch pneumonia. I'm never going home, never going home. No way, no way. Never going home, never going home. No way.
And we broke the swing. Say hi, Kenna.
Hi.